Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, east central Carbon County in
Oh
northeastern
boy.
Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m.
Not
At
us.
4:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sunshine Valley to Topton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and
Whew.
heavy-size hail. Source, law enforcement.
Oh.
Several reports of wind damage have been received from these storms. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Wilson, Helletown, Nazareth, Bangor, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Bath, Belfast, West Easton, Chatham, East Bangor, Steuben, and Glendale. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 47 and 57. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 54 and 76. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 300 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey near mile marker 3. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately.